Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm happy to be here.
Yeah, we are super glad that you want to be here. And you're going to perform with the Idols a little later.
Yes, I'm so excited. They're amazing. They're very talented.
Yeah? Have you seen the show? What do you think?
Yeah, we had rehearsal earlier, and I got to watch some of the performances backstage just now, and they're really talented. I'm very excited.
Cool.
For that.
And you have a super successful year behind you.
Yeah.
Is it hard to take it all in? I mean, you're like #1 in 85 countries.
It's been amazing. I'm really grateful for all the success that's been going on this year with the music and everything, and like seeing hard work pay off is like very exciting and rewarding. I'm very grateful. I'm excited.
Yeah, I understand. You have like 18 million fans on Instagram.
Close to, yeah.
Yeah, almost. I don't have as many. And so I thought you could help me a little. Could we just take a selfie?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, cool. Let us turn this around. Yeah, thanks. Thank you, and we will see you later on.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ariana.
I love the pink.
Yeah.